How can I fix my Epson printer when it is only printing blank pages?
Hello there. If your Epson printer is only producing blank pages, don't worry, we have you covered. In this video, we'll go step by step on how to get your printer back in action. Let's get started.
Check your printer nozzles.
First, we need to check if the printer nozzles are clogged. Here's how. 1. On your printer, find your way to the Setup menu. 2. Navigate to the Maintenance option. 3. Select the Nozzle Check option. 4. Your printer will then print a page that helps you see if any nozzles are clogged. If there are gaps or breaks in the printed lines, your nozzles may be clogged.
Clean your printer nozzles.
If your nozzle check shows that the nozzles are indeed clogged, the next step is to clean the print head. Here's how to do it. 1. Go back to the Maintenance menu. 2. This time, select Head Cleaning. 3. After the cleaning cycle is complete, print another nozzle check. 4. Repeat the process until the print comes out clean.
Are your ink cartridges empty?
If the nozzle check and cleaning didn't solve the problem, the issue could be with the ink cartridges. To check, 1. Navigate to the Setup menu. 2. Go to Ink Levels. 3. If any of the cartridges are empty or low, replace them with new ones.
Check your printer settings.
Lastly, make sure your printer settings aren't causing the problem. 1. On your computer, navigate to the Print option in the File menu of the document you're trying to print. 2. Click Properties or Printer Properties. 3. Make sure the correct paper size is selected and the print quality is not set to draft or low. There you go. Those were some simple steps to troubleshoot and fix your Epson printer when it's only printing blank pages. I hope this was helpful and you're able to get back to printing with ease. Remember, when in doubt, you can always refer to your printer's user manual or contact Epson support. Happy printing!